has been forwarded to an automatic...
Go again, go again, go again, go again. Hello?
Hello? Hello?
You're stupid. You're a stupid piece of... God damn it. You're too proud, aren't you? A proud piece of...
Man, it's cold.
Just gotta do this one thing, and then we'll go home.
Hey, hey guys, can any of you spare some... I can die, or I can ask for help. I can die on the street, or I can ask for help. I can ask for help. I can ask for help.
Who's this?
Hey, Xyst, what's up?
I'm sorry, who is this?
It's Jamie. No, Jamie?
Oh, hey Jamie, what's up?
I asked first.
I'm doing alright. Taking Charlie at his playdates soon. He's got a girlfriend now.
Little player. I don't... It's been a while, right?
Yeah, I don't think since the reception. Why are you calling?
I'm calling to see if maybe I just wanted to check in.
Right. Well, things are hectic, that's for sure. I don't know what happened. It must be Jupiter's in retrograde or something, but this email came in from the government the other day.
McGovern? Holy shit, isn't that the,
Yeah, they told me I was nominated for this weird residency thing. You know that exhibit I had at the Armoria?
Yeah.
Well, some scout must have really dug it or something, but they referenced that. I've got to figure out what to do with Charlie, and especially Mason, if this actually pans out. But it seems like I'm finally getting something for myself. How are you?
Things are okay. I'm alright, it's a little cold out, but I'm fine.
You're outside? You hate the outdoors.
I'm coming around. I've been keeping busy, traveling, all that stuff.
Sounds fun.
Yeah, maybe.
Well, I've got to go. I just got to the daycare, and I think I'm late.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
You're sure there's nothing you wanted to talk about?
Have you ever lost your job?
Yes, actually, a couple of times. Why?
What did you do after?
Well, Mason picked up the tab until I found another one. It was a while ago when we were still in college. Are you alright? Something happened?
A lot happened, actually. Rick let me go a couple weeks ago, and I got evicted right after. I've been surviving, but I don't know how much longer I can hold on.
Jamie, you are more than welcome to stay with us for a little bit if you need to.
No, I can't.
You're my brother. I think I'd be a pretty lousy sister if I let you sleep outside. And I'm sure Charlie would love to see his uncle. I'm serious, Jamie.
I really just can't. No, if I ask you for help, then I'm just one of them.
Oh.
That's not what I meant.
Yeah, it is.
I'm sorry.
I know you are. You don't have to ask if you don't want to. Mason's bringing Ross home tonight. Maybe we'll see you there.
I love you.
I love you too. See you soon.